so excited to do this off, and you guys, I'm ready with all my materials and all my thing. And are you ready with your like button and just subscribe button? Keep watching. This, I bought the materials today, and I'm going to tell you what are all the materials needed are. First of all, we need an empty bottle. We need an empty container to do the explosive science. Next, we need some vinegar, baking soda, colors, some glitters, and some food colors I bought. And I'm going to take a shampoo because to create a lot of explosion. And also it will be so bubbly. Next I'm going to take some waters, spatula to mix it. So guys, first of all I'm going to take a container which looks like this. And next I'm going to take some vinegar. And let's just pour into this. And wait a second, how to pour this? Okay, it's okay. I'm going to pour vinegar into this container. This looks like a water. I think so that's enough. And I poured until this much. Actually I filled with until right in here because I think it's enough. And now it's time for food colors and some glitters. Okay. I'm going to put red or I'm going to put orange color. That looks so good. Okay. And it's not coming out. It's like a layer by layer. And now it's time. I think so I'm going to put a little bit of more vinegar. And now I'm going to last, I think so I'm going to put some shampoo. Already it's creating bubbles. Oh my gosh. Let's put the baking soda in this. Wait a second. Did I miss anything? Yes, water. A little bit of more water. Yeah, it's already forming up. That's a lot. That's a lot. Oh my god. That's a lot. That's a lot. Oh my god. let me keep pressing this. I have pointed. Let's have long. I think so. This is so good. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, we are mine. I think I'm going to put a little bit of more vinegar. I don't know really what it's going to be. Try this. What is cake? This camera, but it is not at all working. Okay, this is a pink. Wait a second. What's this? That's not. It's okay. And so guys, this is the experiment for today. And wait a second, let me show you the reaction. Okay, wait a second. Oh my. Okay, wait a second, guys. A second. Oh my gosh. So guys, you'd never see this everything everywhere. Something like this thing. What happened? Can you see that? Okay guys, you'd never see that how dirt it happened. And really, and I enjoyed my experiment, and you guys just smash the button, click the subscribe button to tell Big Bang.